Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this eye makeup look for you guys. I am using the jaclynhillxmorphe Vault collection in Armed and Gorgeous. This is what the palette looks like. It is gorgeous. I am in love with it. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I have my face ready, so now I'm just going to do the eyes today. Today I'm using the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Jaclyn Vault collection. And I think this is the last one that I'm gonna do. The other one I'm gonna use it for a fall makeup tutorial, which is Ring the Alarm. I am gonna jump into the shade Access first, which is a yellow shade. And I'm gonna use my fluffy brush. This is the Morphe E30. Start blending it in the crease. And I did prime my eyelids with the MAC concealer, the new one that came out. Little by little, you can start putting it upwards. I'm gonna take this shade up here, Agent. And the brush that I'm using is this Morphe E27 brush. And then have your other brush on the other hand, and this is the E30 again, and just start blending. The second shade is a little bit harder to blend. I've noticed once you place it, it doesn't blend as much. I'm gonna jump into Smooth Criminal, which is right here. This one doesn't seem to be so pigmented. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M506. And with that one, I'm going to pick up the shade called PROWL, which is right here. The darkest brown shade. Start applying it on the bottom part here and then bring it in all the way over here to the inner corner. I'm just making it dark in the outer corner and the inner, all the way to the inner corner. I'm taking my P. Louise base. This is in the shade 0.5 and I'm going to take a little bit in the back of my hand. And I'm taking this Makeup Shack T6 brush and I'm going to start cutting the crease. Always start towards the inner corner and then I start blending upwards. Now that you have the half cut crease, I'm going to take this shade right here called Classified, which is this shimmery copper brown shade. So I obviously didn't need any Fix Plus. That's a pretty shade. I just don't like the texture there. I don't know. It's so weird. But now I'm going to take the shade PROWL again, which is the brown shade, with the small brush and start blending the edges here. I love this look. They're just my favorite looks to do. I like the gold looks, you know. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of the NARS Climax mascara, not a lot. I'm just gonna let that dry and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and put on all the falsies and everything, and then I'll come back to do the lower lash line. I'm back with my lashes on, and the lashes that I used today are new to me. These are the Morphe lashes in the style Seductress. I am loving them. They look natural yet sultry. I don't know. They just look really nice. And they feel good on as well. So now I'm going to do the lower lash line like I promised. And the first shade that I'm going to take on the lower lash line is this shade called Smooth Criminal. And I'm using the Anastasia brush. I love this brush for the lower lash line. The next shade that I'm taking is this shade called PROWL, and I'm doing that with the angled brush. I'm just using my Morphe M518, and I'm just gonna take that more towards the lash line. And for the inner corner, I'm taking the shade VIP, which is this first one here. So this is what the eyeshadow looks like. I did want to use the shade Top Secret, which is the green shade, but I don't know, I just didn't feel like it went good with it. Overall, I loved all the shades. Just the shade Smooth Criminal was harder to work with. That one I had to build it up. This has to be one of my favorite palettes along with Bling Boss. This one and Bling Boss are my favorite, and then Dark Magic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video.